Hello guys, today we'll show how to change TK4S standard user level to high user level. Okay, for example, I go to parameter 3. Here's standard user level setting for parameter 3. Yes, now we'll go to parameter 5 to change the setting. The user setting I will change from standard to high. After that, I will open back parameter 3 and compare with the previous setting. You will notice that there will be additional setting appeared in parameter 3. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget likes, subscribe and share this content. If you think this content really helped you to understand Autonix products,